Hey guys, Flipkart has started rolling out its anticipating video service through the latest update of its Android application. Instead of launching a dedicated app, the company has integrated the service into its existing application. Separately, Flipkart has launched an Ideas section that is aimed to offer curated content feeds to help customers pick suitable products online. With the latest development, Flipkart takes on for Amazon India that's offering its Prime Video service in the country for some time. While this seems to be a move to take on its biggest competitor Amazon India with its Prime Video service, Flipkart is yet to confirm what all content customers can expect. However, it did mention that there are no plans to venture into original content as of yet. Now, to watch videos via Flipkart, all you need to do is follow these simple steps. Open the app and tap on hamburger menu on the top left corner of the application. Tap on the video option, after which you will be asked to select at least 3 videos. Once you select 3 videos, tap on continue option, following which you will be directed to the main menu of Flipkart's video streaming service. Here you will find that the content is divided into 3 tabs. All tab, where you will find a mix of movies and shows that are classified based on genres and popularity. The movies tab, where you will find movies segregated on the basis of genres. And the shows tab. At the time of playback, you can also adjust the video quality by selecting the given options such as Auto, Good and Data Saver. The app also has an option to switch from one episode to another while watching a certain show. Further, there are buttons to let you skip the content 10 seconds backward or forward, which are standard in every video streaming platform including Prime Video and Hotstar. However, if you are thinking of getting an offline mode for downloading your favorite videos for watching them offline, you don't have that option available as of now. The content catalog is also initially quite limited with just a handful of vernacular movies and TV shows. Having said that, Flipkart, unlike Amazon Prime Video and Netflix, is offering its video streaming service for free. A report by PTI last week confirmed that the service will be ads supported, though we weren't able to notice any ad at the time of our brief testing. So that's the Flipkart's video streaming service. If you end up liking the video, then hit subscribe and like the video. See you next time. Peace out.